I'm Dr. Tony Edwards.
And I'm Dr. Jennifer Edwards.
And we're here at the Mall of America in Minneapolis,
I mean, it looks slow, but that actually is pretty fast. What do you think? I love What do you think? Okay, look at this, y'all. That is massive. And she wants to go on this. We're gonna see how this works out. I like the theming. I love the barrels and even look above me. It's like the roller coaster. They're still going. I hope I can survive. Wish me luck. It's just the shredder ride, and then over there they're gonna have a oh goodness, Paw Patrol little area over there. We'll see.
His friend came here.
It's a what ride?
Yeah, they rode that, I remember.
Yeah, and I also remember when Adam the Woo like did the he sat on the slime and it says like don't climb the slime, so I want to do that. So okay, over here it says, I thought this was really cool, but it says got a point. Donate any unused points to the Boys and Girls Clubs of the Twin Cities by dropping your points in the box. So that's really cool. At the Nickelodeon Universe Mall of America, and we saw this on two blogs. We saw this on Adam the Woo and also Jones Family Travel. And so we wanted to basically try it out, and it looks really cool. So she's excited. If she's excited, I'm excited. It's Mother's Day weekend. She says everyone's excited, so we're just gonna check this out. So yeah, and they have this thing right there that looks kind of scary. I've only seen it in operation one time, but I'm not riding that ride. That's it.
Today we're here at the Nickelodeon Universe at the Mall of America in Minneapolis, Minnesota. And as you can see, there is just a multitude of different things you can do here. So from little kids rides to roller coasters, then they have a lot of shopping experiences like American Girl and Lego store, to other experiences like the Crayola experience. So there's plenty of things for you to do here, and it's a great time to spend with family and friends. Tip, if you want to try to save money, is to come after 5 and get the Twilight Pass, so you get unlimited rides for a lower price. Hi, I'm Dr. Tony Edwards.
And I'm Dr. Jennifer Edwards, and
This is how we make our
weekend count.